Hello, this is your channel Sosa NASA 1. My name is Emmanuel, and now I'm going to show you how to use this digital multimeter to test this little switch. This is a pressure switch like we are watching now in my hand. For test this kind of a switch, we are going to use this digital multimeter model DT9205A. In this case, first step, connect this negative in this cone. It's ready. Now connect this that is positive in this volts ohms. It's ready. In this case, we are going to use this mode. This is diode test and continuity. In this point, we are going to use this selector and put this in this case. Move and choose here. In this point, our digital multimeter is ready. In this case, take this and take this. This is a computer switch like we are watching now, and it's on or off depending if I press here and release here. Subscribe now. Thanks. Like we are watching in this part, if you watch here, this is a red cable and this is a black cable. It means this is direct current voltage switch. This is the positive and this is the negative. Like our digital multimeter, look, this is the negative and this is the positive, because this digital multimeter has direct current voltage mode. That's the reason of this has positive and negative. And in the case of this little switch, is direct current voltage switch, because inside the computer use direct current voltage for components and items like this. For test this, take the black with the black and the red with the red. Here it's working. It's not working. It's working. It's not working. Let me see. It's ready. It's off. It's on. Off, on. Working, not working. It means this switch is working correctly in this case. It means this switch is working correctly like we are watching now. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe please, and thank you for watching. Share this video. Give me a like if you like this kind of content, and thank you for watching. See you next time.